Oh, toolbox. I bought one. Another one. I think this is probably the, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's probably about the sixth, seventh. This is probably about the seventh toolbox I own. I love restoring these things. You can just pull up right here. That's why I parked like this, so I can just roll it off onto it. No. Oh, actually, that's not a bad idea. Let's do that. I guess I can lift it up straight on. I was going to do it from the side, but I wonder if I can roll it so it's sideways. No better time to try when there's everything online. This can't go wrong at all. No, what are you talking about? What do you mean you dropped a 300-pound toolbox on your face? I mean, I guess. Okay. Cease your shit immediately. Here comes Sketchy Town, here comes Sketchy Town, right around Sketchy Town Lane. Alright. You come, lift it up, oh so incredibly slowly. Yeah. I'm just gonna stand on the forks. We're fine. Just lift it up oh so incredibly slowly. I'm on this too, by the way. Oh, wow. I'm kind of up high. Okay, stop. Ever so slowly, drop it down. Ever so slowly, drop it down, please. Right now, all the way down? Not all the way down, just closer to the ground. Whee! You're fine, you don't have to be so gentle anymore. Whee! Maybe be a bit more gentle. All right, so after much delay, toolbox. Old Craftsman. Real nice toolbox. Let me just put shit away real quick. As you can see, it's old. This thing? Heavy as all hell. I just bought this today. I don't know what's all going on. I was told the electronics work. It's got a vise. It did have a vise. Wonder if I... No, this is not what I'm supposed to be focusing on. I will fix that. I have a plan for that. But first, in my passenger seat... Actually, no. First, I need to clean this out because there's stuff in the drawers. And there's also stuff from these drawers in my passenger seat, which we'll go put away, I guess. But first, let's just look through what's in the drawers. Okay, so I have a fair... idea what's in these drawers. I don't think there's anything... Yeah, there's nothing in this one. Nothing in this one. This one's a bit rusty, but it'll be fine. I'll clean it. We got air fittings. Lovely. I need some sort of tray. Bucket scrap. Bucket useful. I guess we'll... I don't know. I'm going to jump around a lot. Oh, holy mother of zip ties. I guess that's not too many. How do you, how, what, why? Why are these just thrown in here? There we go. Zip ties. Oh, I don't know where that went. Okay. Alright. Zip tie is all done. I don't know why this is there. Something wrong with this thing? No, it's just a plastic drawer, and there's a hole in it. Okay. Oh my goodness. So, as you can see, there's some headlamps in here, or headlights. I guess these are useful. Oh my goodness. Ah. I mean, I love going through shit people left. Like this is fun for me. What do I do with this? I have no need for all of these, but they're useful. So, pack rat here. What is that? Bulb grease? I didn't even know that existed. What? Fair enough. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Okay. Close that up. All right. New microphone setup. Might sound a bit different. We're fine. Dirt, apparently. More dirt. Oh, hey, pens. Great, amazing. I needed that. Rust. Already checked that one. Oh, mother of pearl. And I'll be keeping this scrap bucket around till after I post this. So if I miss something valuable, please, for the love of all things holy, let me know. I'm broke enough as it is. Oh. Is this a cigarette lighter? It is! Huh. Okay, that just fell apart. That's an old... Oh! It's an old shifter knob for 4-wheel drive. Interesting. Might keep that around. Might make a cool handle on some of my machines. Most of this is useless, though. Certain clips and shit, but it's not useful to me. Oh, that's a door lock pull. Seatbelt end cover. Is that a leveling bolt? Nope, that's just a fan knob. I know what most of these things are. It's kind of interesting. We'll keep the cigarette lighter. No reason not to. Door levels, or door roll down window knobs. Sure. That's a knob. We'll take that. What are you? I don't know what that is. Found it. Cool, sure, I'll keep that. The rest of this, though... That's a seat lever. Yeah, most of this is useless to me. Gonna need a bigger scrap bucket. Then I guess we'll try. Better idea. Trash can. Okay. Oh, no, that's true. Let's keep. Little screw. Let's keep. Oh, hey, nothing. And nothing. These drawers might need oiling. I know what that's in here. I looked before I left. Screws. Well, actually, that's not solely screws. This is my parts bin for just random shit. So we're gonna move this to 0.5. So then we'll just, I don't know, watch, enjoy, I guess. Alright. That took an atrociously long time. I don't remember if there's anything in here, but I should probably check over here. No. It doesn't appear to be. There was when I picked this up. He must have taken it out and put that. He must have wanted to keep that. Or he put it in my passenger seat. I don't know. It's probably a bit more trusting than I should have been. A bit wobbly. It is an old toolbox after all. Alright, and now I need to clean out all of this. There's a whole bunch of sockets he gave me. Sockets and wrenches. But you're not gonna watch me from here. It's too dark. I'm gonna just go put you up in my toolbox and you'll see me just dump them in. Alright, there we go. Alright. Change the microphone setup again. Might sound a bit different. We're just gonna vacuum it up and gonna simple green everything. There's some spots where the paint might be coming off, so I'll give that a clear coat. Some of these handles are a little loose. They might need to be hammered just a bit. That'll be fine. So, yeah, I will grab a vacuum and we'll do this. So now, I'm going to wipe everything down with some simple green. Actually, what I should do is I should plug this in real fast, see if that light works. Oh. Nah. It works. I have a little guard for that. I'll be right back with all this stuff. Bingo. Let me see how bright this is. That's some pretty cool lighting. We're gonna turn that off though. I think I need to replace the bulb. Alright, back with the work lights. And just in case it isn't horribly obvious, we will label it. Simple green. So nobody thinks it's iced tea. I don't know what kind of idiot would think it was iced tea, but I've met some impressive idiots. For this, I'm going to use something called rust converter. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know, rust converter. I don't have a paintbrush, so I'm just going to use a different brush on it. But basically, this converts rust to paint primer. And I'm just going to clear coat this. This won't be painted or anything. But it'll just turn that rust into not rust. That way I can feel okay about it being here. And it'll turn black and give you all sorts of cool colors, so on and so forth. But I'll probably goop that on a little heavy. That's fine. All the rest of the drawers are pretty good, but it's just that one. Here, I'll show you what that first drawer looks like. It should be, yeah. I'll show you that a little bit closer. Because it looks all black. I like that. That's the rust turning into primer. And if you look on this new one, that hasn't turned black yet. All right, I'm gonna finish all the rest of these drawers off camera, and I will show it to you when it's finished. My phone is running out of battery and storage apparently, so I'm just gonna work on this, probably enjoy some music. All right, it is all done. I didn't do anything crazy to it. I just I cleaned out the drawers, got the rust off, put some rust converter on it. There's a layer of satin clear coat over it now, so it should be protected. I repainted this black. Here, a little bit closer. Oh. I repainted the inside black. It was just felt better. This is a coat of satin clear coat. All of the chips are off. The drawers
were already pretty good, but I oiled them. This one's just black. I need to put a liner in there. It also came with a door. I don't have keys for the locks, but the door just works like that for the moment. So all the things are locked up. This one will lock as well. So it'll all be locked up. This thing has like 3 locks in total. All of the outlets work too, which is nice. Yeah. And all this didn't take very long. It only took like a couple hours, I'd say. But you know, this thing is very nice. I will get my use out of this. I will be bringing this to work, and it will have my tools in it. I have a toolbox at work already, but I don't know, I'm running into some space issues with it, so might as well upgrade, because this wasn't very much. So in all, I didn't really have to buy too much for this. The toolbox itself was $200. I drove probably about 2.5 hours round trip. So I don't know how much that is in gas. Not much, probably about $30. And then I spent $40 on simple green and the clear varnish, and there was something else. I forgot what it was. It doesn't matter. So you know, it was probably $300 all in. It was fine. The tools and the space to be able to do this much more expensive, but yeah, it wasn't a whole lot. And now I have a really nice toolbox. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up just a little bit, and next weekend I will take it to where it belongs. Yeah, I didn't fix the vise though. I'll fix that at work, because I can weld something to that to make it work better.